Should I buy a DYDX coin? What are its prospects? Who is the investor? At what price did they buy? And which area is safe to buy? And also, what goals can we see for this coin? Hello everyone, my name is Eugene and you are on my Tolmach channel, and today we are analyzing the DYDX project. It appeared in my portfolio and I will tell you in detail at what price I bought and for what purpose. DYDX is a decentralized derivatives exchange. You know the problems of centralized exchanges, and possible problems in the future may even more often and more prompt the active use of such a platform like this. You know, there is decentralized platform like Uniswap, decentralized exchange, which also showed quite good result. I also want to note right away that the maximum issue is 1 billion coins. Now in circulation a little bit more than 10%, and the capitalization of the circulating volume is in the region of $150 million. A huge number of coins will also enter circulation soon, but is it worth it to buy now, or the volume that will fall into circulation will hit the price and it's still too early? Let's deal with this too. But first, let's see who invested in this project. And here we have people like Brian Armstrong, the founder of the Coinbase exchange, and Fred Arison, the founder of the Paradigm Foundation. They are the shareholders of the Coinbase exchange. Naval Ravikant and many funds that are well known in this industry, including Delphi Digital, Dragonfly Capital, Electro Capital, Paradigm, Andreessen Horowitz, Polychain Capital, and so on. I would like to discuss the technology DYDX, which is a solution built on Ethereum Layer 2 network, a second solution that allows you to make more transactions per second. And the basis for them is the Layer 2 solutions of the Starkware project StarkX. This is the same fund that invested in DYDX, Starkware. And if we look in a little more detail, what is Starkware? Then we see that this is an organization that was created to scale the Ethereum. And in first place and among the investors are guys like Vitalik Buterin, Naval Ravikant, Coinbase Ventures, Alameda Research, and Pantera Capital. And even more, Sequoia Capital, this one fund that invested in Apple at the stage of inception and supported Elon Musk, whom no one at that time even knew. That is, Starkware is a fairly serious company and their solution is used by DYDX platform. But the high number of transactions and volumes are pushing this decentralized exchange DYDX to something new. And a couple of months ago we saw the news that DYDX is going to deploy its own blockchain based on the Cosmos ecosystem. Of course, this is big news for Cosmos. This ecosystem is more and more in demand, and DYDX really reported that unfortunately even Layer 2 solutions based on Ethereum today do not meet their needs, and they need this transition. In turn, the Cosmos ecosystem certainly benefits from this, and so the main plus is the huge liquidity that will go into the Cosmos ecosystem, including such a stablecoin as USDC. Now let's talk about the coin. Is it worth buying? Today its price $1.30. In circulation is a little bit more than 10%. The maximum issue is 1 billion, and at the current price, given the maximum issue, a capitalization could be 1.3 billion. You know, such a project as Uniswap, a fairly successful exchanger that today has a circulating volume of 75%, and its capitalization is greater than if all DYDX coins were in circulation today. The capitalization of Uniswap today is already 3 times larger, even considering that not all DYDX coins are in circulation. at the peak of the market capitalization of DYDX was equal to $23 billion. Today it has fallen as well at the price of the coin. Let's try to understand what price DYDX will have if coins fall into the circulating volume. To do this, we need to go with you to the page associated with the DYDX token. Let's take a look in general. What is the DYDX token for? It is needed as a governance token, but also as a token that allows you to receive discount when trading on this decentralized exchange. If you have a certain number of coins, then you have an additional discount on commissions. It is probably quite profitable for large trading companies that use DYDX to have some significant volume in order to save on commission. The DYDX platform has already been working for a long time, and only then did the token appear. Its distribution was primarily in favor of those who used the platform before. Remember when Uniswap was distributing its coins or Optimism Layer 2 solution? So DYDX had exactly the same thing. And what is the volume of coins that was distributed among early adopters? Of course, these early users, having received the coins, had the opportunity to sell it, including at a price of $10, $20. Today the price is already $1.30, but they had enough time to sell these coins, so a large number of coins were distributed among early users already sold and redistributed to the market. Therefore, this volume is not very disturbing, but there are other volumes. Let's go to the Messari website and see how the coins are distributed. So we have a maximum emission of 1 billion, and we see that until February 2023 in the circulating volume of the coins, which are marked in turquoise. These are just the coins that were distributed to early users. Another significant amount is a reward for trading, blue color. These are coins gradually issued into circulation. They come gradually and are spread out according to their trading volume. I believe that they should not bother us as investors either, because for a sufficiently large trading volume, a trader receives an insignificant amount of coins. Another, these little volumes are rewards. We see on this DYDX platform that 27,000 coins enter the circulating volume every day. These 27,000 coins are distributed among those who stake DYDX. The reward is not that high, just 13% per annum with 39 million coins staking. And let me remind you that there are 106 million in circulation in total. Almost half of the coins are in staking, which is very good sign. And more rewards are issued for staking USDC stablecoin. For every 1,000 staked USDC, 0.1 of DYDX token as a reward. In general, the USDC stablecoin is the main stablecoin of the project, and it's clear why. One of the main investors is Brian Armstrong, who is also the founder of Coinbase, and in fact USDC, as one of the two most important centralized stablecoins, also belongs to them. But this is also a small reward in general. Also, if you trade on the DYDX exchange, around 4,000 tokens are distributed among you every day. All this is such a small volume that enters the circulation, and here it's marked with different colors. But since February 2023, the coins of funds and investors, the coins of the team and advisors, and so on, come into circulation. That is, from February 2023 there will be a large volume of coins, and while they are not here, it's safe enough to invest, but only if we know at what price investors got the coins. And for this we just need to go to another tab where there is information about funding rounds. In 4 rounds, 27% of the total issue was sold for a total of $87 million. That is 277 million coins for $87 million, which gives us an average price about 30 cents per coin, which in my opinion is not far from the price that we see now. At the moment, this is only about 4x's. Obviously, not the profit for which these investment sharks entered this project. Therefore, I think that this token can even show some kind of rapid growth. If the market trend changes to growing, then until February 2023, while investors have not yet received their coins bought at 30 cents, then in this case I think that this coin is capable of growing somewhere around 10 or even $20. But it all depends on what actually happens with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin depends on the stock market and the action of the regulator, of course. If the market continues to fall in February, when investors' coins begin to unlock, the price will be in the region of $0.3, $0.8. I will buy the same volume that I have already bought at $1.3. And I will consider this a good opportunity to take possession of this, in my opinion, and promising asset. From myself, I'll say that in my opinion DYDX will most likely be positioned as a main decentralized derivatives exchange, and its transition to the Cosmos blockchain can allow them to interact with various networks, that is different blockchains, including with all blockchains in the Cosmos ecosystem. Thanks a lot for your attention. What do you think about the project? At what price would you be willing to buy? Please write in the comments. I wish you all a good mood and rich future. In touch. Bye.